to some mathematics. In this video, we are to find the maximum value of 16 raised to the power sin x times 8 raised to the power cos x. So let's see how we are going to do this. Alright. Now, remember, 16, you can write it as 2 raised to the power 4, and 8, we can write it as 2 raised to the power 3. Then the whole expression becomes 2 raised to the power 4 all raised to the power sin x times 2 raised to the power 3 all raised to the power cos x. Now from indices, a raised to the power m all raised to the power n is the same as a raised to the power mn equal to 2 raised to the power 4 sin x times 2 raised to the power 3 cos x. And the same from indices, a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n. If you are multiplying two indices, you add the exponent m plus n. So this will be equal to 2 raised to the power 4 sin x plus 3 cos x. Now we have to find the maximum value. Okay. Now, if you have a sin x plus b cos x, the maximum value is equal to square root of a squared plus b squared. So, in the same way, if you want to find the maximum value of 4 sin x plus 3 cos x, this will be square root of 4 squared plus 3 squared, and which is root 16 plus 9. So we are having root 25, which is equal to 5. So if we want to find, therefore, maximum value of 16 raised to the power sin x times 8 raised to the power cos x will be 2 raised to the power 5, which is equal to 32. That is the answer. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I upload a video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted. Bye.